Dumpster Rental Service, Diamond, Missouri. Are you tackling a big project in Diamond, Missouri? S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC is here to make your cleanup seamless and stress-free. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, decluttering your space, or managing construction debris, we provide dependable dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to handle projects of all scopes. From compact 10-yard dumpsters for small cleanouts to spacious 20-yard options for larger undertakings, we've got you covered. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, making your waste disposal process seamless and stress-free. At S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We pride ourselves on transparent pricing, no hidden fees, just straightforward, affordable rates. With our user-friendly rental process, you'll have your dumpster ready to go in no time. We proudly serve residential, commercial, and construction customers in the surrounding areas. Our commitment to environmental responsibility ensures waste is disposed of in compliance with local regulations, helping keep our community clean and green. Call S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC today at 417-221-3776 to reserve your dumpster. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on completing your project efficiently. Your cleanup solution is just a phone call away.